Yo, this is Mo. I've been trading since I was 14 years old. I'm 33 now, so that's been 19 years. You're probably thinking, how can you have such longevity and how can you just keep doing this day in and day out? We see a lot of things on television. We see a lot of things on YouTube that talk about people that just start trading. And what does trading actually mean? It means for them and a lot of people putting money into a stock and hoping that it goes up. I knew when I was young that I needed to find a process that I would repeat, that a good process that I would repeat over and over and over that would set me up for success long term. That's where I can help you. We have the Bid and Ask Nation with Everything Money. It started because I really wanted to teach people like you that didn't know where to start or had been doing something that was not successful for a very long time and needed a process that they could just rinse and repeat, but a good process that worked over a very long period of time. Therefore, I created the Bid and Ask Nation. In it, you get a plethora of information. You'll get my Trading 101 series, which is any video that you've watched, anything that I talk about with trend, with candlesticks, with bid and ask price, anything like that, you are going to get the Trading 101 series, which runs you through the gamut. You'll understand long-term trading, swing trading, and day trading, whichever type of trading suits your lifestyle. You'll get the chat, which is hundreds of people that are like-minded, just like you, that are looking for a place to go. We have chats on every different level. You can talk about day trading, swing trading, my employed trader series, shorting, options, whatever you are looking for, we have that chat for you. If you are finally looking for a place to go with like-minded people where you can trade and learn a process that you can do over and over for a very long period of time with any dollar amount, the Bid and Ask Nation is the place for you. Remember, the more you understand, the less you will fear. I can help you with that. I'll see you in the Bid and Ask Nation, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop.